Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you the three models of PlierTeks we have compatible with iPad 2, 3, 4, iPhone 5, 5S, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro, and this last one is for iPhone 6, 6S, and 6 Plus. So let's go with the first one. iPad 2, 3, 4. Just look at the quality of this tool. Excellent grade. They are all CNC made. Aluminum handles, which are actually extremely strong. Very good quality aluminum. Steel plated heads. Heads are held by two Allen screws, which are very easily removed. And all handles and heads are interchangeable and compatible. iPad 2, 3, and 4. Second guys for iPhone 5, 5S, iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro. Same quality. These little heads are compatible with all the devices I just mentioned. iPhone 5, 5S, iPad Pro, iPad mini, iPad Air. Just look at the quality inside. You do not need to remove the motherboard. As you can see, it's kind of tilted up a little bit, so you will work above all the components. Same steel plated heads. And the last one, iPhone 6, 6S, and 6 Plus. This actually looks the same from the previous one, but it is actually not. Let me show you. It is shaped for the iPhone 6. As you can see, there's a little step there that enables you to reshape perfect the corners on iPhone 6. Very easy to use, very portable, lightweight. Feel free to visit our website, PlierTek.com, and you can also email us, info@PlierTek.com, if you have any questions. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.